Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to attach one of our square plate table bases to our Isotop or Wermodin tabletop. Now our square plate table bases are our Chicago, our circular, our Maxwell or our bolt-in. So if you have this combination, this is how you attach the table base to the tabletop. Now I like to draw a cross on the tabletop so that we can find the center. You do that by simply drawing a line from corner to corner, and then you'll find the middle, and then line up the base on those lines. Now with this, you've got different holes here. You've got larger ones on the outside and you've got these 8 smaller ones. We're going to use the 8 smaller ones with these screws. Those larger ones are for a different tabletop. So line the larger holes up with the lines that you've drawn, but then when you screw in, use the smaller holes. Now be careful not to over tighten your screws because you don't want to go through the tabletop, and you don't need to pre-drill, just these are self-tapping screws. And there you have it. That's how you attach our Isotop or Wermodin tabletop to our square plated bases.